Okay, so next is digestion. Now digestion in the mouth, see when we bite and chew the food, it get mixed with the saliva in the food. The digestion of carbohydrates such as starch will begin in the mouth. So the saliva will have enzymes in it and it will break the complex substance. Here the starch is complex substance, it will break the starch into glucose, or we can call it as sugar. So the starch is a complex substance whereas sugar is a simple substance. So the breaking down of starch into sugar will start in the mouth. Now once it will go, it will go to the esophagus. See the esophagus, the food passes from the mouth into a long tube. So this is a long tube which is called as esophagus. Esophagus is also called as food pipe. The esophagus has walls over the pipe. See this esophagus on the walls will help in contraction and relaxation of food, which will help to pass the food. So the basically it will contract, relax. So through this the food will be passed to the down. Okay, so if there is food over here, food particle, so due to the contraction and relaxation, the food particle will be passed down. It will reach here, again the contraction and relaxation will help the food particle to pass down. So in this manner the food particle is passed through the downal of your food pipe. Now it will go to the stomach. So next it will go to stomach. The stomach is nothing but it is a sac like organ where further digestion takes place. Now it has digestive juices, hydrochloric acid and mucus. So the stomach has hydrochloric acid and mucus. So these are the two digestive juices present in the stomach. The digestive juices help, so what I said, the digestive juices help down to break the food into simple forms. Complex, if the food is complex, it will help into breaking down into simple forms. So what is the main function of hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid will kill the germs that may have entered along with the food. So if we have intake the food which has germs in it, so the hydrochloric acid will kill those germs. Now it also provides an acidic medium for the proper digestion to take place. So this is also an important property of hydrochloric acid, that it will make the medium acidic so that the digestion can take place. So to digestion occur, or to happen the digestion, the medium should be acidic. Okay, now that as hydrochloric acid will provide. Now the medium, the mucus. So now next is mucus. Mucus will simply make the food moist and easy to transport it along the alimentary canal. So mucus will make the food moist so that it can be easily transported. It can be easily pushed through the food pipe or alimentary canal. Now next it will go to small intestine. Okay, next it will go to small intestine. Now the small semi-digested food. So semi-digested food will enter the small intestine. It is here in the small intestine that the digestion of various components of food is completed. So the maximum digestion takes place in small digestion. The liver and pancreas, see as I said, there are another two different glands which will come into action now, that is liver gland and pancreas gland. So the liver gland will secrete a juice which is called as bile. So bile is nothing but a juice which is secreted by liver. Now this is responsible for digestion of fats. So if we intake some fat food into our body, so the bile juice will break down the fats into simple substance. Here the fats is a complex substance. It will then convert into simple substance. It is collected and stored in a small organ called as gallbladder. So the gallbladder is a organ which is nothing but a storage. Now it is then released into small intestine for digestion. Okay, so after that it will be pushed into the small intestine for the digestion. The pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. So the pancreas will secrete pancreatic juice. So pancreatic juice is responsible for the digestion of all the things, that is carbohydrates, proteins and fats. So the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice that digests carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Okay, next we will see absorption.